r minus 1's complement. Can someone tell me any example randomly? Can you tell me any randomly one octal number?
253.
53 of base 8. That base also you have to mention clearly. Octal number 253 of.
253 of base 8.
If it is an octal number system, r minus 1's complement means what? If it is an octal
Seven.
number, 7's complement. Octal
7's
number.
complement.
Now, if it is a octal number system, r minus 1's complement is nothing but 7's complement. Calculate the 7's complement of the given number. Calculate the 7's complement of the given number. Okay. As a starting, I am using that formula method only. Why? Because if first you have to understand that formula method, then we can see the shortcut method how we can do this r minus 1's complement in a shortcut. Okay. Now, what is small n? Small n equal to 3. What is small m? Small m equal to 0. Small m equal to 0. What is r? R here, r equal to 8. What is capital N? Capital N equal to 253. And r equal to 8, capital N equal to 253. Capital N equal to 253. Now, directly I am applying these values in our formula. R power n 8 cube minus 8 power 0, 8 power minus 0 or 8 power 0. You are going to get the same thing. 1. Now minus the given number 253 of base 8. Don't forget to write the base. Why? Because you are not writing the base, what you think as it is a decimal number. Whenever you are writing the base, then definitely the clear distinction between the decimal number and octal number system. Okay. Now result what you are going to get is 8 cube. Tell me the solution. 8 cube means what?
512.
512 of base 10. 512 of base 10. 512 of base 10 minus 1. Minus 1 means this 1 is also of base 10 number system. Now these two are base 10 and we have to subtract with the base 8 number system. Okay. Now 511. We are getting 511 of base 10. 511 of base 10. Why? Because we are subtracting 1 with 512. We are getting 511 of base 10 minus 253 of base 8. 253 of base 8. 253 of base 8. Now what we are doing, everyone know. I hope everyone know what we are doing. We have to convert either this into octal or this into decimal. We can do two ways. Okay, we can do two ways, but the best solution is we are converting this into octal. Now if I convert that into octal, hope I am getting the result as this one. If I am
777.
777.
converting that into octal, if I am correct, I am getting the result as this one. 777 minus 253 of base 8. 253 of base 8. 253 of base 8. Now remaining everything is same. 777. We are subtracting 777 with 253. 253. Okay. 253. 7 minus 3 4. 7 minus 5 2. 7 minus 2 5. 524 of base 8. This is the 7th complement of the given number. 7th complement of the given number. Hope everyone done up to here. Everyone completed. I think so. Everyone completed. Okay.
Yes.
Now if you are completed this problem, do one more problem. I can give you one more problem. Okay. 5 4 1 6 of 6.23 of base 8. Calculate the seventh complement of the given number. Calculate the seventh complement of the given number.
2361.
2361.54.
2361.54.
23.
2361.54.
First do by using formula method. I know you know the answer and how you are getting. I know, and the other people also know how we are going to do this problem in a shortcut method. First do by using the formula method. Okay. Now the solution here is 2 3 6 1 5 4 of base 8. Okay, can someone tell me how? Okay, those who are saying answers, please, you don't tell anything, and please mute yourself, and the remaining people tell me how I am getting this seventh complement directly. Okay, those who are giving answers, please, you don't speak. Okay, tell me.
Number
Some
of
other.
digits we have to write how many sevens based on digits
Okay, very good, very good,
and
very good. Please.
separate that numbers.
Okay, very good, very good. Please mute, but you have to understand that formula method also. Okay, I hope everyone know how we are calculating the seventh complement. How many digits are there in our integer part? We have to take that many number of sevens, as well as how many digits that are there in our fractional part. We have to consider that many number of sevens. Why? Because we are calculating 7. R minus 1's complement of octal number is nothing but 7. Okay, that many sevens. How we are doing that nines complement in our decimal number system? In the same way, how many digits are there in the given number? How many digits are there in the given number, whether it may be a fractional part or integer part? That many number of sevens we should consider, and we have to subtract this number with uh, those many number of sevens, and we have to keep that fractional point or the radix point or the decimal point in the same place. After how many digits we have to keep that decimal point in the same location, then we are going to get this solution. Hope everyone got the answer. Everyone completed. I hope everyone
Yes,
understood
sir.
how we are getting this one. Okay, this is simple task only. Okay, the shortcut method is very easy. That is the reason. First, what we have to know is the formula method. That is the reason I can tell directly this method, but you have to know this formula method also. Now do the last one, and we can move to some other problem. Can someone tell me the solution? 7 1. Calculate the seventh complement of the given number.
In octal number,
Sir,
8
8
is not.
is not.
What?
You wrote 8, sir.
In
In
octal
octal
number,
number,
8
8
is
is
not.
not possible, sir.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. I'm I have written intentionally, whether you are observing or not, this number clearly or carefully or not. That is the reason I have written actually. Okay, those who have identified, very good. We don't have any 8 in our octal number system. The remaining people, hope everyone are you following what they are saying? What they are saying? We don't have 8. 8 is a new symbol. We have only 8 distinct symbol. 0 to 7. We don't have 8 in our octal number system. We have only 8 distinct symbols. Those 8 distinct symbols are 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If you count the total number of symbols are 8. We don't have any 8 in our octal number system. That is what they are saying. Now do this one. 7 1 2 3 4 5 of base 8. Convert this, sorry, calculate the seventh complement of the given number. Why you are waiting this much of time?
06532.
06
6532.
532. Very good. You have to tell me instantly. Why? Because you know now the shortcut method, how we are calculating. Okay. Everyone, are you following what we are doing? Everyone, are you
Yes, sir.
following? Okay. Now, I hope no need to do some other problems. Now, that's all for r minus 1's complement of the octal number system. I hope everyone, are you note downing all these things in your notebook? Okay. If you are running notes or whether any notebook, please note down all these things in your notebook. Why? Because I already told you so many times, it will help while preparing in the examination point of view. Now we are moving to the hexadecimal number system, that is our last number system, hexadecimal number system, and we are calculating the r minus 1's complement of the hexadecimal number system. Now hexadecimal number system, r minus 1's are diminished radix complement of the hexadecimal number system. Now, r minus 1's complement means what? In hexadecimal number system, 15's complement.
15th complement.
Actually, 15's, this 15's we can also write it as f's. Okay, f. Why? Because we don't have 15 in our hexadecimal number system. That 15 we are writing it as f. We call it as f's complement. Are you understanding? Are you following? Everyone, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Now, the decimal number as an example. Okay, tell me randomly any random hexadecimal number. Can someone tell me any one of the random hexadecimal number?
5C2.
5C2. Okay, 5C2.
Of base 16.
I'm adding one more digit, 52C, 5C2A of 16. 5C2A of 16. Okay, now we have to calculate the f's complement or 15's complement. Okay, for our understanding, as a starting problem, I am writing 15's complement, or this we can also write it as f's complement. 15's complement or f's complement. Everyone, are you following? Now coming
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
please
sir.
answer.
n equal to what? N equal to 4, small m equal to 0,
0.
r equal to 16, capital N equal to 5C2A. 5C2A. Okay. Now we are substituting these values in our formula. 16 power 4 minus 16 power 0 minus 16 power 0 minus 0 or 0 minus 5C2A. 5C2. Now you have to tell me the solution. You have to tell me what is 16 power 4 means. 16 power 4.
65536.
Okay, 65536. You see this number somewhere else, anywhere? You see this number? This is a 5536. See this number anywhere? Okay. You didn't see? Okay. Okay, leave it, leave it. Because I have asked this random question. Where else you can see this number? Remember this number 65536. Okay. Now, if I subtract what I am getting, 65535. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
5535. Okay, some people feel bored. Some people feel bored. If you are feel bored, you do one more example. Meanwhile, we are doing this one. You can do some other. You take randomly any number and you can do your own problem. Then that will give you the practice. You practice more, you can understand more, and you don't forget that concept. Okay. What I am getting if I convert this into hexadecimal, can someone guess what we are getting?
4x.
A3D5.
Okay, okay. Actually, if I convert this into hexadecimal, I am going to get 4f's. I am converting this into hexadecimal. I am getting 4f's. Okay, of base 16. Now I am dividing this into. Sorry, I am subtracting 5C2A with 4f's. I am subtracting 5C2A with. Okay. Now you know how we are performing subtraction. 4f's 5 2 sorry 5C 5C2A 5C2A. Now F minus A, what we are getting? F means 15. 15 minus 10.
5.
5.
5.
A.
Okay. Uh,
5.
15 minus 2.
D, sir. D.
T. Okay, very good. And
3. 3.
please mute someone. Yeah, 15
A,
minus 5.
sir.
A.
A.
Very
Yes.
A3D A3dy5 of hexadecimal. This is the 15th complement of the given number. 15th complement of the given number. Hope everyone, are you following what we are doing? Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
Yes, sir.
you can understand the shortcut method. I hope everyone now you understood what we are doing, and now tell me within a fraction of seconds or before writing you have to give me the answer solution immediately. Okay, 2 1 D 4 point A2. I want 15th complement of the given number or F's complement of the given number. 21D. This is not 0. If someone is thinking it is 0, you are wrong. It is a D. 21D4. 21D4 point A2. Why you are taking this much of time? You already know the
DA to be 0.5D.
D, 2B,
DE
0.5D.
to be 0.5D.
D2B D2B
Point
point
0.5D. 5D.
5D. 5D. Hope everyone got the same answer. Hope everyone got the same answer. How?
Yes, sir.
Same thing. What we are doing previously, we are here also we are doing the same thing. How many digits are there in the given number? That many number of f's we are considering. F. That many number of f's we are considering, and we are subtracting this number with that many number of f's. Okay. I hope I have completed all the basic four number systems, and now we are going to see other than basic number systems, and we will wind up these complements here, and the next concept what we are going to see is subtraction of unsigned numbers. That is very important concept, that will be based on complements, that will be based on this complements concept. Okay, now other than our basic four number systems. Okay, I'm considering base 5 number system. Here I am considering one base 5 number system. If I am considering base 5 number system, can you tell me what is r minus 1's complement?
4's complement.
4.
R minus 1's complement is nothing but 4's complement. Very good, very good. R minus 1's complement is nothing but 4's complement. Can someone tell me randomly any base 5 number system? Some random number, base 5 number system. Base 5 number system.
1034.
1, 2. Okay, I am taking
4,
4.
3.
Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 of base 5. Is this number is base 5 number system or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Calculate the fourth complement. Calculate the fourth.
3210.
3210.
3 to
10.
3210.
10 of base 5. Okay. I hope everyone know the shortcut method. Okay, you are directly applying the shortcut method. You also know the formula method also. Better you should know the formula method also. I